3 BHK house plan. And now start this plan. This is outside wall 125 mm, and this is outside wall 125 mm 5-inch wide wall, and now this is outside wall 125 mm, internal partition wall 125 5-inch wall. Okay, this is internal partition wall 125 mm. 3 BHK house plan, and dining, drawing, kitchen and bath and latrine, an optional puja room. Okay, this is outside wall 125 mm wide wall. This is internal partition wall 125 mm 5-inch wall. This is internal partition wall, and this is wall. Okay, and this is balcony cum room, and this is balcony. This is roadside. Okay, two side road, this side and this is balcony. Okay, and this is window and outside window. Okay, this is window, and this is railing, 3-inch wide railing, up. Okay, this is door and puja room. Okay, this is door, balcony, and this is door. इस पूजा रूम का मतलब इस बैल्कनी को आप पूजा रूम के पर्पस यूज़ कर सकते हैं। इसको टोटल आप ब्रिक वॉक कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, यहाँ पर इसके बाद दिस इज डोर and this is door and this is door. Okay, and this is door, and now this is door, and this is lobby, and this is gate. So entry, road side, and this side road. Okay, and this is bedroom. Okay, and this bedroom 11 feet 0 inch, and this bedroom 10 feet 9 inch and 11 feet 0 inch. Okay, and height 10 feet 6 inch, and this side height 10 feet 6 inch. Okay, balcony 4 feet wide balcony, and 8 feet wide balcony, this side 8 feet and 4 feet. Okay, and now this is drawing come dining area. Okay, and इसका total distance 10 feet 9 inch wide and 13 feet 1 inch wide, and stair 9 feet 9 inch wide and 9 feet 8 inch wide, and this side 3 feet wide, and this side 3 feet wide, and this side 3 feet wide. This is cut out. Okay, and this is bedroom 1 2, and this is bedroom 3, and this bedroom 12 feet and 10 feet 6 inch wide. Okay, balcony this side 8 feet, and this side 4 feet, and this side 4 feet, and total 8 feet wide. Okay, this side 8 feet and this side 4 feet. तो इसके अंदर आप पूजा रूम यूज़ कर सकते हैं अगर आपको ज़रूरत है तो. ओके, एंड दिस इज किचन, and this kitchen size 7 feet 6 inch and 6 feet 11 inch. This is bath and latrine, bath plus lat 7 feet 6 inch and 4 feet 6 inch. Okay, and अगर आपको ऑप्शनल बाथ एंड लैट्रिन चाहिए तो इस रूम के नीचे इस जगह पर आप यहाँ पर बाथ एंड लैट्रिन एक्स्ट्रा, यहाँ पर बाथ प्लस लैट यहाँ पर ऐड कर सकते हैं. ठीक, तो यहाँ पर आप ऑप्शनल बाथ एंड लैट, तो इसमें हम कितना रखा है देखिए. इस साइड में 23 फीट, इस साइड में 35 फीट, तो इसका मतलब 23 × 35 फीट का हाउस प्लान, 3 बेडरूम हाउस प्लान. ओके, यहाँ पर कुछ कॉलम का पोजीशन हम. अच्छा, आउटसाइड में जो वॉल 5 इंच वॉल, इनसाइड वॉल 5 इंच वॉल. ओके, कॉलम दिस इज कॉलम, okay, this is column. Okay, total 12 number column, 10 inch into 12 inch column size. Okay, thank you watching this video.